Sanbonani grade 4s, or how I've missed you all so much. I hope you are all doing well at home and that you are adjusting to this new way of learning. And I can't wait for the day where we can all get to see each other in class and get to do some Zulu. This week is exciting because we get to learn Zulu and we are going to be doing some farm animals. So let's begin.
Inja. Ngibona inja. Ikati. Ubona ikati. Imbuzi. Sibona imbuzi. Ihashi. Babona ihashi. Imvu. Nibona imvu. Isikhukukazi. Ngibona isikhukukazi. Ingulube. Sibona ingulube. Inkomo. Babona inkomo.